Hey guys, so today, let's see if I can do this. Alright. Oh my god. Awesome. We're going to have an Epson unboxing video. Let me just push it more this way. As you guys can see, we have a basic, ugly looking box. And that's my tripod, by the way, right here. But I've been told, and from experience know, that behind each ugly box is a beautiful, beautiful package waiting to be opened. Voila! Okay, never mind. My tripod died, so we're just going to have to kind of do this handheld. And these are the little color things that come with it. It's upside down. Let me just put it right back. It comes with this EPD thing. Ooh la la, it's imprisoned with blue tape. Now it's free. One more. That came out so weird. That's not how you're supposed to do it. About it for that one. And I'm just gonna close the top. Alright, so now we're back to its own little space. First, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this tank with the ink. I'm gonna open it up and get started. Starting with the black ink. And as you guys can see, it's already filling up right here. It's doing this little bubble sound. We wait until it's full and we can move on to the next one. Hey guys, this is future me, just letting you guys know that I love the way that Epson did this because nothing spilled. Put this down. This part is pretty easy. Alright, now it's full. We can move on. So real quick, I turned off the camera because I set it up and started charging the ink and it had an attack, like a full auto attack. That whole thing is over. Stop. Okay. So after charging the ink, you have to refill this again. And then when you're done with setup, you'll get this cool little thing that says, congratulations, the hell is over. So real quick, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree photo paper. You're crazy. So we're going to print out a few of these, just one or two, and see how that turns out. I mean, of course the quality of the paper you use matters, but I figured, Okay, so already something's not right. I'm being punished. I'm being punished for using cheap paper. Fatality. Alright, so we're going to try one more time. Why does it sound like it's dying?
2,000 years later.
Behind the scenes footage of me having an existential crisis and wondering who I hurt in my past life. Maybe I grabbed someone's printer and threw it over the window for me to deserve this. I've been getting cursed printers. If this print quality is ugly, and I set it to the best quality, if it's ugly, it's
1 eternity later.
After a million years, the head. I see the head. Now we are finally done. And wow. You guys, this is so... It did an amazing job. Look at that. That's really nice. I like what it did. And I'm going to print one more. You love misery, don't you? Printing one more. Because you love pain. Hopefully the next one turns out just as good. So far from the quality of the tip, it looks like it'll be good. So I waited a bajillion years later. I'm still alive. This is our print. I really wish I could lend you guys my eyes because it looks way better than this camera. Oh, by the way, this is a print from a comic I was working on 2 years ago. I'm pretty much revamping it. So yeah, this is from Lollipops. I really like how this scene came out. I worked hard on that scene when I first drew it. And the hands though. Look at the hands. The hands! My hands have gotten a lot better, but still, whenever I see the old hands, I'm like, ugh, why? You guys, the colors are just, I don't know if this camera does it justice. The colors in real life, they're just so nice and crisp. Like, of course, I take credit for it since I did all the coloring in Photoshop and all. Oh my goodness, look at this quality. I really like that.
Really? After you just bashed it to death?
That's basically it. We have two prints from this awesome printer.
You liar.
Epson 2750 I have. I don't know yet. Let's see if this lasts 2 years. If this lasts 2 years, definitely recommend. Honestly, the only con is that it prints really slowly, but it's at best quality and edge to edge, so I don't know. So if this actually lasts 2 years, I'll be happy. If not, that's okay, because I'm still happy as of right now. And yeah, I'm kind of living in the now. I'm probably going to do stickers next, but not in this video. Alright, bye. See you guys in the next one.